Students, in this class we will discuss the next topic of first chapter of partnership, distribution of profit among the partners. How we distribute profit among the partners? Either it will be distributed through profit and loss account or profit and loss appropriation account. Definitely profit must be shared among the partner, or profit and loss must be distributed among the partner through the account, that is profit and loss appropriation account. In the sole proprietorship firm, trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet are the final accounts. But when we are talking about partnership firm, then the profit and loss appropriation account is the first account that we have to prepare. Why the profit and loss appropriation account is prepared? So answer is profit and loss appropriation account is prepared to record or to distribute the profit among the partners. In the sole proprietorship firm, there is only sole owner, but in the partnership firm there are many partners. So profit must be distributed among the partners through any account. So for the distribution of those profit and loss appropriation account is prepared. This account is we can say that it is the extension of profit and loss account. Extension of profit and loss account is the profit and loss appropriation account. It is how it is started. So profit and loss appropriation account. This is the pro forma of profit and loss appropriation account. Particulars, amount, particulars and amount. Here we write the heading profit and loss appropriation account. This account is the extension of profit and loss account. So before preparing this account, any businessman have to prepare profit and loss account. From where businessman got net profit. That net profit is transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account. Profit always credited, so it will be credited at the credit side of profit and loss account. It is the extension of profit and loss account. So we have to write by net profit amount. In the column of amount you have to fill amount, or you can also write by profit and loss account. In the bracket you have to write profit transferred from profit and loss account. Then you have to write profit. If suppose there is loss, net loss, then it will be transferred at the debit side of profit and loss account. If there is loss, then it will be transferred to the debit side of profit and loss account. To profit and loss account, bracket mein you have to write loss transfer to the profit and loss appropriation account. After that, after transferring the profit, you have to write the remaining items. What are the remaining items? By interest on drawings. All the revenue nature items. Revenue nature means those who are recurring again and again. These will be recorded in the profit and loss appropriation account. Capital invested one time, so it will not recorded in the profit and loss account. For it, another account is prepared, that is partners capital account. All the revenue nature items will be recorded. It is just like a profit and loss account. All the expenses or incomes recorded here. Interest on drawing. Interest on profit. This is the profit and loss appropriation. This profit and loss appropriation account is the account of firm. So you have to think all the items from the firm point of view, not from the partner's point of view. Suppose partner have to their firm charge interest on drawing to any partner. Suppose three partners is there, A, B and C. B withdraw 3,000 and firm charge 3% interest on drawing. So 900 will be the interest on drawing. Who gave to whom? Mr. B gave to the firm 900 as an interest on drawing, and this is the account of firm, and this 900 is the income of the firm. So it will be recorded at the credit side of partner profit and loss appropriation account. Interest on drawing is the income of the firm, that's why it is recorded at the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Then what items will be recorded at the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account? Firstly, to profit and loss, if net loss is there. If net profit is there, then it is recorded here, and if net loss is there, then it will be recorded here. And remaining expenses of the firm will be recorded here. What are the expenses of the firm? If Mr. A have to given salary, if commission is given to Mr. C, then commission. If any item of interest on capital is given to the partner, then it will also recorded here. So these are the expenses of the firm. Interest on capital, partner's salary, partner's commission. If there is a provision for transfer of reserve in the partnership deed, the reserve also is a part of profit. So it must be transferred to the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. In the last, what we got? By finalizing the account, if debit side total is less than credit side total, then there will be a profit or to divisible profit or profit transfer to. It will be transferred to the partner's capital account. To profit transfer, or this is the profit of partner A, B and C. This is a divisible profit. Suppose these item total is 5,000 and these item total is 2,000. Debit side total is less than credit side total. 5,000 minus 2,000, answer will be 3,000. So 3,000 is the divisible profit which will be divided among A, B and C. Suppose we are supposing A, B, C are partners. So it will be transferred among the A, B and C, or it will be distributed among A, B and C. If such a situation, just opposite, means 5,000 debit side total and 3,000 credit side total. So 2,000 will be the net loss. To loss transferred to A's capital account, B's capital account and C's capital account. So it will be debited to the partner's capital account. Means there are some items of debit side and there are some items of credit side. What are the two important items of credit side? Profit and interest on drawing, which is given to the partners. And what are the items of debit side? If there is net loss, then it will come, and salary, commission, interest on capital and transfer of reserve. If debit side answer, then it will be a profit. If credit side answer is there, then it will be a loss. This will the final profit and loss appropriation account. Always remember one thing, profit and loss appropriation account is the extension of profit and loss account. Net profit as per profit, and here we have prepared the profit and loss account from where we got net profit. That net profit will be transferred to the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Now we are discussing some general entry. Firstly, we discuss some features of profit and loss appropriation account. And first feature is it is the extension of profit and loss account. Second feature, it is prepared only by partnership firms, not by the sole partner. Not by the sole owner or sole proprietorship. In the sole proprietorship, profit and loss account is prepared. In the partnership, profit and loss appropriation account is prepared. It shows the appropriation of net profit or net loss in the accounting year. It is prepared in one accounting year. Entries in this account are passed, giving effect to the partnership date. So let's discuss some entries. What will be the general entry for this? This profit came from profit and loss account. So it came here at the credit side of profit and loss account. So what will be the general entry? Profit and loss account debited to profit and loss appropriation account. Profit came at the credit side of appropriation account. That's why in general entry appropriation will be credited and profit and loss account will be debited. Profit and loss account debited to profit and loss appropriation account. What will be the narration? Being profit is transferred, being net profit is transferred to the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. What will be the general entry for interest on drawing? So interest on drawing debited to profit and loss appropriation account. This is the closing entry of interest on drawing. Interest on drawing account debited to profit and loss appropriation account. What will be the general entry for salary? Salary account, profit and loss appropriation account debited to salary. What will be the entry for commission? Profit and loss appropriation account debited to commission. What will be the general entry for interest on capital? profit and loss appropriation account debited to interest on capital. What will be the general entry for reserves? Profit and loss appropriation account debited to reserves. Now I am reading the difference between, what are the basic difference between profit and loss account and profit and loss appropriation account. Stages. First point of difference is stages. Profit and loss account is prepared after preparing trading account. Means it is prepared after preparing the main account or basic account of sole proprietorship, that is trading account. Profit and loss appropriation account is prepared after preparing the profit and loss account. Second important, objectives. Second point of difference is objective. Profit and loss account is prepared to find out the net profit or net loss, and profit and loss appropriation account is prepared to find out the divisible profit among the partners, which have to be distributed among the partners. Next, partnership deed or agreement. Is there any relation of partnership deed with these accounts? Yes. Preparation of this account, when we are talking about profit and loss account, preparation of these account is not guided by the partnership deed. In the partnership deed, there is a no provision of preparation of profit and loss account. But in the when we are talking about partnership and we are talking about partnership deed, then it must be guided in the partnership deed whether the partners are preparing profit and loss appropriation account or not. So I have discussed three main point of difference: stages of preparation, which one is prepared first. Next is objective, why they are preparing. Next one is there any relation between partnership deed and these two accounts? So let's take an example to understand these topic more. First example or first question is Aman and Boman. There are two partners. There are two partners, Aman and Boman. Two partners, Aman and Boman. Aman and Boman are two partners in a firm sharing profit and losses equally. Equally means 1:1. Whatever will be the profit, half will get Aman and half will get by Boman. Business is being carried from the property owned by Aman on the yearly rent of 24,000. Means for the business purpose, Aman gave his property on which Aman want a rent of 24,000. Aman want a rent of rupees 24,000. Aman is to get salary of rupees 1,24,000 per annum. Aman is, when we are talking about Aman only, okay? Aman is to get salary at the rate of 1,20,000 per annum. And Boman, when we are talking about Boman, this is the data of Aman and this is the data of Boman. Boman is to get commission 5% of net sales, which the sales during the year is 30 lakh. Profit for the year ended means in this year the firm earned the profit of rupees 5 lakh. Okay, so now I am erasing the format of profit and loss appropriation account. You have to remember it, okay? Or you can open your book in which format is there, and this Aman and Boman question is on page number 2.17, chapter 2, accounting for partnership firm fundamentals. Okay, page number 2.17. Now finally we read question. What is it? Aman and Boman are two partners in a firm sharing profit and losses equally. Business is being carried on the property owned by Aman, on which Aman is demanding rent of rupees 24,000. Aman is to be allowed salary 1,20,000 per annum. This is whole year salary. If salary is given per month, then you have to convert it per annum, because profit and loss appropriation account is prepared yearly. Aman is to get salary 1,20,000 per annum and Boman is to get commission 5% on net sales, and net sales is 30 lakh. profit for the year ended 31st March 2019 is rupees 5 lakh, and before providing rent of rupees 5 lakh, there is also some rent of rupees 5 lakh before providing rent for rupees 5 lakh. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2019. For this year, rent is of 24,000. So we have to do adjustment of only 24,000. If question is silent about charge against profit or appropriation of profit, then you have to do question by supposing the question as per charge against profit. Okay, so we will charge rent as a charge against profit. When we took an example of charge against profit, then you have to prepare in rough. You have to prepare profit and loss account. Don't show it in the fair. Simple profit and loss account. How we prepare it? From profit. What is profit? How much profit is there? 5 lakh. We post 5 lakh here. This is rough work. Okay. Don't show it in fair. This is profit 5 lakh. After that, after this 5 lakh, write charge against profit expenses. In the last class or before when we are talking about distributing the profit, we discussed some expenses which are charged against profit, like rent, interest on loan, interest on partner's loan. So rent is the item of charge against profit. So it will be posted in the profit and loss account, not in the profit and loss appropriation account. So it will be posted here rent. How much rent is there? 24,000. So remaining net profit will be 5 lakh deducted, or 5 lakh minus 24,000. How much left? 4,76,000. This is the final net profit, by which we prepared profit and loss appropriation account. From this amount we will prepare our profit and loss appropriation account. So here we write first profit. So from here we write first. We start from here. Why? Profit and loss account. Bracket में डाल देंगे net profit. Profit transferred from profit and loss account. How much? 4,76,000. After that, we will write another items. What items? Which are the appropriation of profit, like salary. Who will got salary? Aman will got salary. So don't write here salary. Write to Aman's capital account, because this amount will be gained by Aman. To Aman's capital account. Bracket में salary. How much? 24,000. And not 24, 1,20,000. 24,000 is rent. 1,20,000. And woman is got 5% of net sales commission. Woman got commission. So to woman's capital account, bracket में commissions. How much? 5% of 30 lakh. 5 3s are 50, means 1,50,000. In the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account, we record expenses. Expenses of firm. The firm has to give salary to Aman. Firm has to give commission to Boman. So by the name of them, we have written those items. And profit is transferred to the credit side of profit and loss account. Appropriation account 4,76,000. Another item remaining? No. Let's finalize it. 4,76,000 minus 1,20,000 minus 1,50,000. What will be the answer? 2,06,000. 4,76,000. We make a total. After totaling, draw 2 lines. Means question is finished. 4,76,000. How it will be distributed? This is divisible profit. Divisible profit means it will be divided among the partners. Means to Aman and to Woman. So to profit and loss transferred. Bracket में कर देंगे profit. Or you can only write to profit transferred to Aman's capital account and Woman's capital account. How much? They are sharing profit equally. So suppose your profit is 2 2,06,000. So how it will be distributed? It will be distributed as 2,06,000 into 1:1. 1 plus 1, 2 is half. So divided, 2 ones are 2, 2 0 0, 2 0 6, 2 0 0, 2 0 0. Means 1,03,000 and 1,03,000. Why we have written Aman's capital account and woman's capital account? Because after this profit and loss appropriation account, another important account is a partner's capital account. So that's why here we written Aman's capital account, woman's capital account. Okay, clear? So in the next class we will discuss some other topics.